What's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Thanks for tuning in to the Off Day Angler. We got a couple new creeks we're going to explore today, see what we come up with, try to catch some fish. So go ahead, hit that thumbs up for me below. Please subscribe if you like what you see. Check out the other videos. And thanks for watching. Let's go catch some fish. Oh, there we go. Not a real big guy, but oh well, he's decent. He's fighting. He's got a lot of energy. All right. Not a bad smallmouth. Something to start the day. So there's definitely fish here, so we're gonna keep fishing. Nice little first fish though. This guy's been attacked by something. He's got like a scar. Something got him. But anyway, not a bad little bass. Finally, I've been out here for hours. It's been 3 or 4 hours now. I've changed locations once, and this is the only fish I've seen besides that other little one. So not a bad little bass. I'm happy to have found a fish. Hopefully that means there'll be more fish around here. So we'll see what's further upstream. I've paddled quite a ways, so I'm back in the water. That was on the Nico Hellgrammite. Yep, there's some small fish nibbling on me. Keep hitting it. Small feisty bass. Goodness gracious, he's feisty. All right. There we go. Another small bass. I believe it's a spotted bass, maybe one of those Coosa bass. I don't know if we have them up this far, but definitely a little bit different than the bass I'm used to catching. I'm just excited to finally be catching some fish. So there's another one, small guy, but I'll take it. They're always fun to catch, even when they're small. So it's definitely gotten quiet, real quiet up here. This is the kind of fishing I like to do. It's just really pretty, quiet. Catching anything up here just adds to being able to be up here. So, if I haven't mentioned, this was the second creek I fished today. Where I started, I didn't really have any luck, so I moved, and I've been paddling upstream for a while. So hopefully that means we'll be getting into some fish. It's super fishy back here, so surely that means there's a bunch of fish back here, right? Alright guys, so I had a bit of a microphone problem again, so I got a voice over the end of this video. So this was kind of the end of the day. Just caught a couple little sunfish before we docked up. Started using the Panfish Assassin again. Caught a couple of them, but there's a lot of really small ones trying to hit me, so I switched to a Rebel Crick Hopper, just a little cricket. It's got the small treble hooks on it, so hoping I could catch a couple more, which we did. But overall, it was. This is one of those videos, probably a little shorter, a little more realistic. You know, I went out there and didn't catch a whole lot. I spent a lot of time on the water, and you know, it was just kind of one of those days. I don't know where the fish were at, but it's still fun. Always a fun day to be out there, and just glad I get to do it. So, had a couple of these small guys. But you know, obviously my outro didn't come out well either because my microphone wasn't working. So I'll probably wrap up with the voiceover. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe the video. I hope you enjoying what I'm doing. Leave a comment below, and we'll catch you guys next time.